Cells are the building blocks of life, orchestrating countless biochemical processes every second. But how do we study their intricate functions beyond the microscope? Enter computational modeling of cells, a revolutionary approach blending biology, mathematics, and computer science to decode life at a whole new level. Computational modeling replicates cellular systems using mathematical and computational techniques. Instead of relying solely on laboratory experiments, researchers can now construct digital models of cells and simulate their activities under various conditions. This helps us study gene expression, metabolic reactions, and disease mechanisms, all in a virtual environment. Cells operate through millions of interactions happening simultaneously. Traditional lab experiments struggle to capture this complexity. Computational models solve this problem by allowing us to simulate biological networks, predict experimental outcomes, reduce costs in drug discovery, and understand disease progression better. Different types of computational models help us study cells in various ways. Mathematical models, equation-based simulations of cellular dynamics. Agent-based models, cells acting as individual agents following defined rules. Network models, mapping genes, proteins, and metabolic interactions. AI and machine learning, analyzing vast biological datasets for pattern recognition. Computational modeling is revolutionizing medicine by making drug discovery faster and more efficient. With these models, scientists can simulate thousands of drug interactions before clinical trials, predict patient-specific responses for personalized medicine, and identify side effects early, improving drug safety. Computational models are already transforming medicine. Some real-world success stories include cancer research, where AI-driven models helped identify new multi-target therapies. In the COVID-19 response, modeling helped predict viral mutations and accelerate vaccine development. And in neuroscience, brain simulations are advancing treatments for Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Despite its potential, computational modeling faces challenges. Data quality issues are a concern, as accurate biological data is essential for reliable models. The complexity of cells and biological variability make modeling difficult. Additionally, advanced hardware like AI supercomputers and quantum computing will drive future breakthroughs. Computational modeling is revolutionizing how we study cells, predict diseases, and develop life-saving treatments. If you're passionate about the intersection of biology and technology, this is an exciting field to explore. Subscribe for more science and tech insights, and follow us for updates on cutting-edge research.